May nakikita ako ditong consistent yung ginagawa niya rito, may mga action siyang ginagawa, may mga salita siya ritong, tuloy-tuloy na sinasabi, puwedeng patuloy na kumu-communicate sa'yo, puwede naman na patuloy na gumagawa ng aksyon, pero posible naman na gagawin niya pa lang 'yan, okey? This person here masyadong emosyonal siya, so maaaring puro emosyon ang pinaiiral niya ngayon. Kaya hindi rin malabong mangyari na yung mga desisyon niya rito ay dahil rin sa bunga ng emosyon niya. Alam mo mga babes, hindi magandang kumuha kayo ng desisyon dahil lang sa emosyon. Kailangan balanse yan. Okay? Kailangan kasali dyan yung isip, yung puso, at yung soul pag gumagawa ng desisyon. Okay. Let's go ahead and check this messages here for you guys this Monday, Thursday. Okay. Hindi ko naman nakikita na ngayong semana 'to mangyayari, nung Semana Santa hindi ko naman gano'n nakikita 'no, pero for more likely nakikita ko 'no, na ngayong Semana Santa na 'to, well, it started already 'no, puwedeng bago pa mag-Semana Santa 'no, puwedeng nangyayari na 'to sa iba, okey, posible po 'yun. Pero posible rin na ngayong Semana Santa niya 'to talagang maisip, 'yan, okey. Well, for some reason hindi ko gusto yung energy niya here for you guys. See? We have here, okay, advice coming from the universe for this specific person, the World card, Temperance, and the Justice. I'm gonna tell you about that, okay? Maya-maya lang, ilatag na muna natin lahat, okay? Hey there mga my loves! Kamusta naman kayo? And Huwebes Santo today. So atin nating i-remember no, yung sacrifice na ginawa ni Jesus because of love to save us from all of our sins. No? So the love of Jesus, the love of God saves us no, from our sins. No? At yun yung message ng Holy Week yan. No? So ano man yung relihiyon ninyo, no? Alam ko na nagbubuklod-buklod tayo sa iisang Diyos, 'no. So ngayon, ating alalahanin, 'no, everyday dapat nating alalahanin 'yun, 'no, pero ngayon, 'no, is special, week, 'no, para mag-reflect tayo nito, just be a good person, show your kindness, generosity with other people, share your blessings, 'no. Share your time, share your effort with other people, not just with your loved ones, no, but with other people. Yan, no. So, just always choose to share whatever you have and be grateful no sa lahat ng meron ka. Yan. And okay wala tayong gender here 'no, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Meron tayong mga other channels 'no, ang links ay nasa description box, 'yan mga babes 'no. At okay, you might want to check that out. Meron diyang in English language 'no, collective readings 'yan 'no, Angel Messages yung pangalan ng channel. You might want to check that out if hindi ka pa nakatambay there 'no. I would love to see you there as well, okay? And also, we also have this other channel, The High Priestess Tarot. So yeah, yung mga nandoon na, yun yung una nating binild na channel and thank you so much for supporting me, yan, no, in my life's journey. Since day one ng mga nakasama ko, maraming maraming salamat at hanggang ngayon 'no, kasama ko pa rin. Sobrang taba po ng puso ko na nandito kayong lahat. So, yeah, okay. That is a very warm message coming from my heart kahit na hindi warm ang nakikita ko dito sa reading na lumabas for you. Well, I must say, there is an energy here, honey, with this Five of Swords energy, and there's this Nine of Wands. Someone here is on fire, but not with passion for you. Well, let me just rephrase that. Kasi, okay, let me just tell this. Strong energy for a lot of you, posibleng ex mo to. Sa iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng hindi nyo to ex, pero hindi niya matanggap na nire-reject mo siya. Or iniiwasan mo siya. Or hindi mo siya tanggap, hindi mo ina-accept yung offer niya. Ganun. Okay? So this person here feels bad about himself or herself. Okay? Kasi yung decision mo, like, if this is your ex, of course, this person wants you back. At iniisip niya no, na makipag-usap sa'yo ng personal or kung hindi personal, basta masinsinang usapan na makausap ka niya. Parang kiber na kung gamit ang telepono o pupuntahan ka niya or i-chat ka niya or video call, whatever. Okay? So this person here, what I don't like about this energy here is pinipilit niya. No, pinipilit niya rito yung self niya sa'yo, which is, well, nakaka-turn off. Whoever this person is, whether this is your ex, hindi ko naman nakikita kung ano yung talagang ending na nangyari sa inyo, kung ba't kayo naghiwalay or whatever. Pero nakita ko talagang tapos na kayo with the world card right here. If this is your ex right here, no matter what he or she did or had done with you in the past, hindi ko nakikita yon. Pero dito, nakikita ko na parang siya to na hindi niya alam, no? Yung place niya sa life mo. This person should know his place or her place in your life right now. Hindi niya alam kung anong posisyon niya ngayon sa buhay mo. Like you're telling this person na, please know your place. Pwede bang alamin mo yung lugar mo? Yan. And for others of you, this is not your ex. This is someone here who could be offering his or her love for you. Pwede nagpapapansin siya sa'yo, gumagawa siya ng mga movements right here, no? Para i-express niya yung kanyang love and emotions for you. Pero pwedeng hindi mo siya type or hindi mo siya napapansin. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng hindi nyo lang alam. Okay? So, I don't know why I'm getting that. Pwedeng hindi nyo alam na may gusto siya sa inyo or whatever, no? So, I'm also picking up that. So, baka maaari may viewers tayong ganun. Pero ganun pa man, this person still, kailangan niyang malaman, no? Kung ano yung lugar niya sa buhay niyo. Kasi dito parang ang gusto mong sabihin sa kanya, please know your place. Alamin mo yung lugar mo sa buhay ko. And if this is someone here who keeps on, parehas sila eh. Kung ex mo man yan o tao ritong pinagpipilitan yung sarili nila, parehas nilang pinagpipilitan yung sarili nila at gumagawa sila rito ng kahibangan, you know. Kahibangan to eh. Oh, Five of Swords energy, Nine of Wands, no. Knight of Wands and Nine of Wands. And right at the center of this reading is this Four of Wands in reverse. So, diba? This is the energy of someone here hindi niya matanggap, no? Hindi niya matanggap na ganyan ka sa kanya o hindi niya matanggap rito, no, na talo na siya. Yun yung nakikita ko here. Ayan, no? You are causing this person here sleepless nights, pero syempre, honey, it's not your fault anyway. Yung iba nga sa inyo, hindi nyo alam eh. Hindi nyo to alam, oh. Diba? So parang whatever the case may be, I do not know how can I put that into words. Pero I think someone here admires you so much that you might not even know it. Puwedeng busy ka with other things, busy with your own life, puwedeng marami kang ginagawa ano, puwedeng gano'n 'yun. Pero yung iba naman sa inyo, hindi niyo lang talaga siya gusto, hindi niyo lang talaga siya type, and you do not want to exert your energy 'no, kasi waste of time nga naman 'yun. Tsaka ikaw yung klase ng energy na, you are not into drama, and this person is causing a scene. Causing a scene, 'di ba? Gumagawa rito ng eksena, yun 'no? And I think that is a major turn off sa'yo. At kung sino man 'tong person na 'to 'no, 'di ba gusto niya mag-build ng magandang impression sa'yo, pero ang nangyayari nate-turn off ka lang, okey? Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, ang nangyayari rito mas lalo lang niyang pinapakita rito na tama lang yung ginagawa mong pag-avoid or hindi pagpansin sa kanya. Dahil pinapakita niya lang sa inyo ang kanya ritong tunay na kulay, ay ganyan ka palang klase ng individual. Well, I must say, hindi nakaka-impress. Nakaka-turn off pa nga. Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, it's like you're saying to this person, "Please know your place, alamin mo yung lugar mo." Okay? Parang it's almost, you're telling me with the Four of Coins energy right here, and there's this, um, Temperance presence here. I do see that this is you. You're almost telling to this person, yeah. Actually, I'm having a hard time putting it into words because I cannot describe it even more. Pero nag-flash sa'kin yung scene 'no, from one of the scenes ng The Hobbit, kung familiar kayo dun 'no, and I think that is the battle 'no, ng Five Armies 'no. Alam ko 'yan kasi favorite ng mama ko yung The Hobbit, so nakumpleto niya 'yan, paulit-ulit niya yung pinapanood. Kaya yung scene na nakita ko, natatandaan ko yun. So, yung scene na nakita ko ngayon lang sa aking mind 'no, is yung scene kung saan nandun yung Elf Princess 'no, and then parang nandun sila sa dark mountain 'no, kung saan parang madilim yung paligid, and meron na parang dumating na, kalaban 'no. And then dun naubos yung power nung Elf Princess 'no, at, yung line na nasabi niya ron is, parang you're nameless, you're faceless, go back from the void where you came from. Yan 'no, parang parang yun 'no, yun yung gusto mong sabihin dito sa person na 'to 'no, go back to where you came from. Parang sinasabi mo, bumalik ka na lang sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo talaga. Parang wag mo na akong guluhin, let go of me, I do not need something to do with you, I do not have any business with you, don't drag me into your life, ganyan 'no. Parang you're saying to this person, it's like, "Ka, ka," parang sinu mo siya, "Chu, chu, alis, eh, parang I don't need you, hindi kita kailangan, just go, okey." Yan, parang gano'n 'no, go back to the void where you came from, ang taray. Alam mo kasi yung emosyon nung Elf Princess nung binanggit niya yung linya na yun, talagang so powerful 'no, na parang, "Go back," gano'n 'no, ta's umiiko-iko pa yung paligid 'no, talagang this person pisses you off. And I think 'no, parang because this person here is causing drama at ayaw mo yun, this person here is causing scene at ayaw mo yun, kaka-turn off 'no. Parang mas may tsansa pa na na magbago yung tingin mo sa kanya 'no, or kumalma yung tingin mo sa kanya 'no, kung lulubayan ka niya, yun yung nakikita ko rito 'no. Kasi hindi ka nakakatanggap ng peace of mind sa kanya rito 'no, yun ang nakikita ko rito, yan 'no. And spirits are saying, may advice 'tong angels and spirit guides niya sa kanya 'no, that with the world card right here, Temperance and the Justice. Ang advice ng kanyang, guardians right here 'no is, huwag pairalin yung taas ng emosyon, okey, at higit sa lahat, okey, Alamin kung kailan dapat lumaban at kung kailan dapat sumuko. Dito sa sitwasyon na 'to, with the King of Swords energy, Six of Swords right here, Chariot, ang angels at spirit guides nitong person na ito ay binibigyan siya ng advice na magdesisyon, na mag-move on, kumalas na sa inyo at mag-let go. Move away, leave you alone. Yan o. Diba? This is you. You just want peace of mind right here. You just want to, na gusto mong tigilan ka niya, no? And this is you na nata-turn off ng bongga. So, hindi ko alam kung sino to talaga, no? At kung sino to sa mga ex mo. At yung iba naman, hindi talaga to ex ng iba sa inyo. Pwedeng ito yung energy ng hindi niya matanggap na hindi mo ma-accept yung kanyang offer, no? Pero alam mo, nakaka-turn off talaga pag pinagpipilitan yung sarili mo, no? Tapos hindi ka naman gusto ng tao. Imbes na mag-create ka ng impression na maganda sa kanya, parang gusto ka pa talaga niyang layuan, no? Na parang, ano ba yan? Hindi ka ba makaintindi? Parang nagke-create ka ng kakaiba na impression sa kanya na parang gusto niya na instead na mapalapit siya sa'yo, mas lumalayo ka pa kasi dahil dito sa ginagawa niya. Tsaka ayaw mo sa lahat yung ano, yung tao na hindi marunong makaintindi. Ganun yung nakukuha ko rito eh. You are someone kasi na alam mo yung gusto mong gawin eh, at alam mo kung sino yung gusto mong patuloyin sa buhay mo. Ngayon, kung ganitong klaseng tao yung ka-deal mo, it's like, no, thanks. Okay, no thanks, but I'm out. Gano'n, 'no? So, well, I must say, no, that if this person here continuously bothering you, then sabi mo nga, you do not have any business with this person here at wala ka namang kailangang gawin, okay, with this person. So, I think you can continue to do what you are doing right now, okay? At siyempre, this person here, I think ang advice ni universe is pabayaan mo na lang si collective ko kasi they're having their peace of mind already. So, wag mo na silang guluhin, okay? Focus on your own life and listen to your angels and spirit guides, okay? They know better. They know better, okay? And I think this time, alamin mo, no, na dapat mo na rin talagang isuko yung laban mo. May oras para lumaban, honey, at may oras rin para sumuko. This person is already telling you na know your place, okay? So, wag mo nang guluhin yung collective ko, okay? Ako ang kanilang ina. Ang tangi nilang ina. Yan, no? So, bilang parents na aking mga collective, kayo, lubayan mo ang mga junakshis ko. Yan, no? So, praying for this person's healing. And, okay, just maintain your peace, honey. If you do not want to deal with this person, then wag. Okay? Not worth your time. Okay? Not worth your time. So, thank you so much, Collective Sarah Ngayon Love and Light. Inyo.